Euro against US dollar. The week started with this bullish candle reaching the resistance level 1.17589. After that, the price formed a strong bullish candle going all the way up to 1.186, making a bullish breakout above this area of resistance and stopping right here. But the next day, the price continued to rise in value, trying to make another bullish breakout reaching 1.19. But that day the price has returned back down all the way because of strong bearish sentiment that is currently here. A supply zone that pushed the price down to the first support level, and then the price continued to lose its value, and on a Friday making a bearish breakout below this area of support 1.17589. On the weekly time frame, we can see how the price is currently behaving. The price has formed a strong bearish pin bar right here at the resistance level, and if we take a look here on the daily time frame, we can also make this one as a weekly, as a weekly resistance level to see much more clearly how the price is currently behaving. This is a strong bearish pin bar that has been formed when the price has reached this resistance level and this trend line, which is acting as a resistance. On the monthly time frame, we can see how this looks. The price continued to rise in value, reaching the resistance level, and this is a confluence of resistance, a pretty strong one. That's why we have on the weekly time frame a bearish pin bar formed on the chart. What we can expect in the next week? Well, based on the monthly time frame, we can see the price has reached this area of resistance, retraced strongly, which means strong selling pressure is there, and also supply zone. On the weekly time frame, we can see the price has retraced also strongly. The price could not manage to go above this area of resistance, which means the price is currently below this area of resistance. And the daily time frame shows 3 days that the price is retracing back down, and also on the Friday the price formed a bearish breakout. Everything is indicating, for me at least, what I can see, the price will continue to lose its value next week. How far, how long? The first step is here. The price will try to reach this area 1.17, and after that we'll see will the price manage to reach this area of support, or the price will retrace back up just to test again this area of resistance. Previous was a support, now it will act as a resistance, and then potentially the price will try to move down. But what I can see is that after reaching the strong resistance level, very close to this area here, or to the trend line, which you can see on the weekly time frame, the price will try to retrace back down. But how far? We need to wait and then go one day by day to see how the price behaves around this area of support and resistance. After that we will see how the price is behaving, and also what is the direction where the price could go. But currently what I'm seeing on a Monday, I'm expecting that the price will reach 1.17, and this is the target for now, which I will also be sharing with the traders inside the premium analysis. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description. Feel free to join and receive these updates during the week. When there is bullish or bearish breakouts on the chart, you get information, and also what is the target, where the price is heading after that breakout. See you inside, and that's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.